Sea Animals TV. Today, we're diving deep under the sea to meet one of the coolest creatures ever, the cuttlefish. They might look a little like squids or octopuses, but they're totally unique. Get ready for amazing color changes, tricky camouflage, and even some funny wiggly swimming. Let's go explore. Cuttlefish are sea animals that belong to a group called cephalopods. That means they're related to squids and octopuses. They have soft bodies, big eyes, and 8 arms plus 2 longer tentacles for catching food. Even though their name has fish in it, they are not fish at all. Cuttlefish are the masters of disguise. They can change the color and pattern of their skin in less than a second. This helps them hide from predators, sneak up on prey, or even talk to other cuttlefish. Their skin has special cells called chromatophores, which work like tiny paintbrushes. One of the coolest things about cuttlefish is their eyes. They're shaped like the letter W, which helps them see really well in bright and dim light. Even before they hatch from their eggs, baby cuttlefish can already see and start learning about the world. Cuttlefish swim by rippling fins along the sides of their bodies. It makes them look like they're floating in slow motion. But don't be fooled. If they need to escape quickly, they can shoot water out like a jet and zoom away. They love to snack on crabs, shrimp, fish, and other small sea animals. Cuttlefish use their 2 long tentacles to grab food super fast, almost like a frog catching a fly with its tongue. Once they catch their meal, they bring it to their beak-shaped mouth. Inside their body, cuttlefish have something called a cuttlebone. It's not really a bone, but it helps them float and control their depth in the water. Pet birds like parrots sometimes chew on cuttlebones to keep their beaks healthy. Baby cuttlefish hatch from eggs that look like little black grapes. They're called hatchlings and are already able to change color and hunt for food from the moment they're born. That's like being a baby superhero right away. Scientists believe cuttlefish are very smart. They can solve problems, remember things, and even watch and learn from other animals. That makes them one of the brainiest creatures in the ocean. Cuttlefish are a big part of the ocean's food chain. They help keep other sea animal populations balanced by eating smaller creatures, and they're food for bigger animals like sharks and dolphins. They're a small but mighty part of ocean life. So, what did we learn today? Cuttlefish are not fish, but amazing cephalopods with super color-changing skin, W-shaped eyes, and lightning-fast hunting skills. Next time you think of ocean animals, remember the cuttlefish, the ocean's master of disguise. Thanks for learning with me, friends. See you in our next underwater adventure.
Thanks for diving into the world of sea animals with us today. See you again tomorrow for more ocean fun.